welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about internal and external taking care. You want to look fabulous, you want to have great looking skin, glowing, maintain and preserve what you have longer, naturally. Well, there are things, you got tools, you got what it takes. All you have to do is just take the time, take the steps to take care of yourself, inner and outer. So I want to talk about inner and outer, taking care of yourself. And that is, I can't stress out enough how important is what we put in here is what comes out here. Whatever we eat, it comes out on our skin. That goes for young ladies, young men, aging people, 50s, 60s. Take care of your liver. Detoxify your liver. Give it the good nourishment. So let's have good nourishment. What is good nourishment? Maria, how come your skin looks so good? My girlfriends are saying, you look fabulous. Well, you can look fabulous at any age. Take the steps to take care of your internal, your gut, your liver. You want to avoid age spots, pigmentation on the skin, hyperpigmentation, eczema, rosacea. For the young people, you know, like extra sebum where you're very oily and then you end up with the orange peel kind of skin. Well, there are things you can do, external and internal. Internal is you have to get some vegetables. Start liking your celery. Start liking your carrots. Start liking your apples. Mix them together in a juicer. Drink it. 4 sticks of celery, 4 sticks of carrots, 1 whole apple. Alternate every other day with 1 beet. The beets are known for cleansing your blood and detoxifying your system. But the end result comes on your skin. So if you're suffering from any of those skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, dry skin, itch, pimples, overproduction of sebum, which is oily skin, dryness, elixir drink can take care of that, can help you restore and rejuvenate yourselves. So please, if you want to look great at any age, take the time, don't be lazy. Get in the kitchen, scrub your veggies, invest in a juicer, buy a good juicer, throw them in there, 3 minutes and you have yourself an amazing your daily allowance. All your vitamins, all your minerals are in this 1 glass of carrot, celery, and apple. Apple provides you with pectin, with vitamin C. Celery is just unbelievable for so many. I mean, it's great for, if you drink it before meals, it also helps curb the appetite as well, just so you know. But it's an amazing elixir. So yeah, your skin will look great. I radiate, so that's what comes from the testimonials of my friends. How come your skin looks so great? Well, I spend a little more time in the kitchen, and yeah, I do have, you know, a juicer to clean afterwards, but ooh, I like the results. I love the results. Looking like this at 60, well, something I'm doing right is working, and it's coming back in the feedback from my girlfriends and the clients, because I do see clients at home about skincare and treatments. But I'm here to share all these tips with you so you can take charge and you can take the baby steps to achieve that just by setting your goal. So set up a daily goal, weekly goal. Make small changes. Look at your diet. Come back to my channel more often so we can talk about many more insightful tips. How to improve your skin, how to improve your health, whether that is physiological, psychological, emotional. Change your attitude about life. Be happy, be thankful. Meditate, manifest, set your intentions. But there's certain things we need to work at, right? And that is every day, in the morning, you gotta cleanse your skin, you gotta exfoliate, you gotta tone your skin, you gotta moisturize it. If it's sunny out there, you need to put your sunscreen. And of course, take the steps to apply your makeup, because makeup makes us look good. You look in the mirror and you go, you know, I like what I see. And then you get the compliments. We love that. We are also a little bit of narcissists, right? It's our human nature. We like that. We like the input from people. We hear a compliment and it's immediate. It's like an injection of happy chemicals, endorphins, you know, serotonin. It's like rushing through your body. Just a little compliment. But in order to receive that compliment, there's some steps we have to take prior to that. Don't be lazy. Ladies, let's take the steps. Be happy. Think about, plan your day ahead. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to wear this, I'm going to do this color palette on my makeup, I'm going to do that with my hair. Learn how to be versatile. Learn how to be thankful, give gratitude, and enjoy life every day. Every day. And have the vitality so you don't feel like you're drained and you can't do things. So, let's get back and revisit what we said. Internal and external taking care, which is juicing and drinking that elixir daily so we can have the energy level, so we can have, we can stay free of disease. How's that? Can avoid medication. That's for starters. Let's start with that. If your liver is working good, there's nothing breaking out on your face for you young people. If you're cleansing your skin every day and you're having a mask twice a week, there's no breakouts. You prevent that because you're absorbing all the excess dirt and oil. That's for young people. For aging people, my age, 60, 50, 40s, have a mask once a week, sometimes twice. You can have alternative masks. You can have a cleansing, detoxifying mask by applying a clay mask, or you can have a moisturizing mask that moisturizes your skin on the innermost layer. And then of course there's other specialty masks like peel-off masks, and there's other masks that can activate collagen synthesis. There's other masks that they can activate the elastin, and some of them that just erase the wrinkles altogether. More tips to come. I can teach you all that. Stick around and you will learn a lot of insightful things that you can use those tools every day to be happy, to be, well, grateful, and to look fabulous. Let's not forget that. Look fabulous at any age. Just take the steps. Thank you. Thank you for coming into my channel, for stopping again and chatting with me. Drop your comments. If you haven't subscribed, hit that red button. I thank you for that. Share with your friends my videos. Share. Send them over through Messenger or through WhatsApp, Facebook. And hit that like button, please. That enables me. It gives me that little injection of happiness so I can continue to make more videos for you. So if you have any questions or something that you would like to see, drop me a comment. I will get back to you. I'm learning how to upload videos. Sometimes not the best quality, but I'm getting better. Thanks for subscribing. I said it. Thanks for hitting the like button. Until the next time, be well, be safe, take the steps, love yourself, and take care.